Welcome to Xerox Unstuck. Today's fix: the error every Node and React dev sees, EADDRINUSE port 3000 already in use. We'll reproduce it, understand exactly why it happens, and fix it 2 ways in under 5 minutes. Beginner friendly. Okay, you run npm start, and instead of your app, you get error. Listen, EADDRINUSE, address already in use. Something is already sitting on that port. Let's see why. Then clear it. If this saves you a headache, a quick like helps. First, what a port even is. A port is like a numbered door on your computer for network traffic. Only one process can listen on a given port at a time. Your dev server wants port 3000, and if something already holds it, the second one can't have it. To reproduce it cleanly, server A grabs port 3000, then server B tries the exact same port. We listen for the error event on B so we can print what happens. Server A gets the port. Server B fails. EADDRINUSE, listen, EADDRINUSE, address already in use, : 3000, that's the whole error. Decode it, EADDRINUSE, just means address already in use. The : 3000 is the port. This isn't a bug in your code, it's that the port is occupied. Why is it occupied? Usually a previous run of your own app is still alive, a crash left a zombie process holding it, you started it twice in 2 terminals, or another app just uses port 3000. There are 2 fixes: either free the port by finding and killing whatever holds it, or just run your app on a different port. Let's do the first. It's the one people fumble. Here a server is holding port 3000, lsof -i: 3000 lists exactly which process, there's the PID. Then kill off that PID, freeze the port, done. So lsof -i: 3000 finds the PID, kill stops it, and kill -9 forces it if it's stubborn. The one-liner kill of lsof -t does both in one go. -t prints just the PID. The second fix: don't fight for 3000, run on another port. Most tools read a port environment variable, so port equals 3001, npm start, and you're up. Handy when something owns 3000 for good. On Windows the idea is identical, just different commands. Netsta -inu pipetest to finster : 3000 to find the PID, then task kill /PID with /f to force it. To avoid it, stop your server cleanly with Ctrl-C instead of just closing the terminal. Handle the EADDRINUSE event to fall back to another port, and in tests, listen on port 0, which tells the OS to hand you any free port. Recap: EADDRINUSE means the port is already taken. Free it with lsof and kill, or just run on a different port. Not a code bug, a busy door. Quick one. If these help you, the wallet's on screen, and there's a Ko-fi link in the description. Every tip funds the next one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. A new dev fix every day. See you in the next one.